My experience at the practice was absolutely amazing. I felt comforted from the very beginning all the way and well after my surgery. I had a breast lift with auto-augmentation, which is essentially just using my own breast tissue and securing it up at a higher position so that I have a natural lift. I'm absolutely in love with my results. I look at myself all the time now and I can't stop staring at my results, and I couldn't be happier with what I see. I chose Dr. Huettner's practice because, unlike some of the other surgeons I had seen, she talked to me directly. I was more involved in my own process, so I felt like I was more listened to throughout the entire thing as opposed to just being told what I needed. I would absolutely recommend this practice to any friends and all of my family in a heartbeat. I feel amazing now. I'm loving my new breast. I'm so excited. I can't wait for myself to just go and show them off. And all the outfits I can wear now, and it's just an amazing feeling being as confident as I am now. This procedure gave me a new lease on life. It made me much more confident and readily available to take on different things that I think I would have said no to before. One of the biggest aspects I was looking for when I was looking for a surgeon was how comfortable I was with my surgeon. Some of the other doctors I had been to were more directing me and telling me what I needed, not really letting me be more involved in what I wanted. And Dr. Huettner was much more actively engaging. We had a dialogue, and I was able to be comfortable with what I was going through with. Leading up to the surgery, I felt very prepared. I was informed of what to expect, informed of things and steps I should take beforehand just to make my healing process a little smoother. And I was reiterated several times that I would be able to reach out and contact her with any questions I had. After surgery, my aftercare was pretty, for lack of a better word, easy. I was told what to do as far as bandaging. I was able to manage my pain just fine. I was able to contact Dr. Huettner when I was worried about something or if I had an additional question. She was always ready and available to answer me, so my aftercare was very smooth. I would like other patients to know that if you really want something done, you should definitely go for it. But there's something to be said about how comfortable you are with who you're seeing and who you're trusting with your procedure. I don't think that I could put enough weight on that. My advice to patients that are considering getting any surgery, is to absolutely, if it's something that is bothering you, go for it, do it. I don't have any regrets about mine. I was comfortable throughout, which is super important, and I can't stress it enough. And I don't think there should be any hesitation. If you're able to do it, I would absolutely say to go for it. Definitely do your research. There's a lot of different plastic surgeons out there, as I've seen when I was researching, but there's something to be said about the experience of your doctor and how you feel having a dialogue with your doctor. I can ask Dr. Huettner any question I want. I'm very comfortable doing so. I very much trust her experience as she's a board-certified surgeon, and up until a few months ago, I didn't even know what that was. But doing my research, I learned that that actually gives them access and a knowledge base of a little bit more significance than some other doctors would have. It's a lot more experience, it's a higher credential. I really want to thank Dr. Huettner for what she's done for me. I never at any point felt like I was just another patient. I feel very personable with her. I feel like we have a personal connection now. And I appreciate so much what she's done, and knowing that I was in great hands, experienced, capable hands, I am just so happy with how everything turned out. And as a Black woman, seeing her do work on other Black women, it was also reassuring, something I didn't even know that I needed to see, but I did, and it made me feel just that much more comfortable going with her as my surgeon, and I wouldn't take anything back. I have absolutely no regrets. My experience today has been surreal. I got to meet Dr. Huettner's staff, Luke, and work personally with a celebrity photographer, Udo, who's worked with Tyra Banks, models, Nick Jonas, countless other people that I could only dream of ever meeting. And I just feel so confident, and it's amazing to get a new opportunity to show off my new look, how I'm looking after Dr. Huettner's amazing work. And it just truly shows how much she cares about her patients, because she goes above and beyond to make me feel comfortable, confident, show me the transformation, and she's seen me from the beginning to the very end, and I couldn't be happier or more thankful for the experience I've gotten. The photos that I've taken, Udo has shown me the results, just the rough edits are looking amazing. I've never seen myself in that light before, and it just makes me want to pull out a camera and show myself off. It's amazing. I love it.
Amazing. Awesome.
I'm so excited.